Welcome to SapphireOne Workflow Rules. Within the Utilities mode of SapphireOne, if we go to Controls and we come down here to Workflow Rules, by double-clicking on the Workflow Rules, if we want to create a new workflow rule, we simply come up to the Sapphire toolbar and we go Create New Transaction. In this case, I'm going to modify an existing transaction, so we select our Modify and we go in and look at this particular workflow. We've got a sequence number which is automatically generated, a title which you, the system administrator, will set up, and then a tag saying you'll set that up as required. You'll link that to a particular company. In this case, it's linked to Company Sydney, and then we'll link it to a particular department. In this case, I'm linking to a transaction type, which is an MR, a money receipt, and we've got all our various transaction types there that are in SapphireOne. Then you've got the ability to go and select the type of transaction or the rules trigger. And we'll just look at the first four here. We've got a new transaction, we've got a modified transaction, delete transaction, and transaction above a certain value. In this case, the other workflow rules are fairly self-explanatory. I won't go through them all. In this case, we've set up a dollar value and it's $1 million, and we've set two stages. Those stages are identified down here, so stage 1, stage 2. Then you can set the approvals. By selecting on there, you can go and look at the approvals in stage 1. So here we've got 2 people in stage 1 that are required to approve that, the authorization required, and the email. We've also got the ability to set a type, so we can simply notify. So for example, if someone was modifying a transaction, we can get a notification, or if they're doing a particular function that you want to be notified, or we can set the approval. And then we've got the ability to go and set the levels. So we can set the levels for a user, and that'll be typically the most commonly used setting. Will be the type, will be a user, and then we can also set a level, and then we can set a creator as well. In this case, it is set to level, and we can go and create as many rules as we like. Thank you for taking the time.